Today we are going to study about an evolutionary approach to animal behavior. In that we'll study about answering ultimate question and about Darwinian theory and ultimate hypothesis. In the last video, we studied about proximate causations or the question about proximal behavior. In this video, we'll study about how to answer the ultimate question by taking the example of gulls and eggshell removal. Now Timbergen again, he studied about black-headed gulls. What he observed in their behavior is what they do is they remove broken eggshells after their youngster hatched. What they do is they remove the broken eggshells after their youngster hatched from that egg and they throw that eggshell some far away places. Now the question is why they do such behavior. What is the need to throw the broken eggshell at some far places? Does this behavior have any reproductive benefit? That means, does this behavior have any evolutionary reason? Why this behavior or this character has been favored by nature? Why this character is present in black-headed gulls? Maybe the ancestor did not have this character. That means they were not throwing eggshells somewhere else. During the course of evolution, some mutation happened because of which a new character developed that now they are removing the eggshells, that is the broken eggshells. And because the behavior still persists, that means it is providing some benefit. What can be the benefit? Maybe he thought the benefit is to eliminate visual clues to some predators. This black-headed gulls, they have a lot of predators. So maybe removing the broken eggshell helped them for their better survival because removing this broken eggshell is eliminating the visual clues to some predators. Now this was his hypothesis. Now how to test this hypothesis? He cannot go back in time to see the ancestors and then decide that during the course of evolution, the hypothesis he framed happened that way or not. He cannot go back in time, right? What else he can do? He can make a prediction. What is his prediction? If removing broken eggshell help to remove predator, that means presence of broken eggshell should attract the predator. If removing can remove the predator, then presence of broken eggshell should attract the predator. Now, the next step should be he need to test his hypothesis. Then only he can give a proper conclusion. What he did is he stole some intact eggs and then in a predator prone area, he scattered these eggs in two sets. In one set, along with this intact egg, he also placed broken eggshells in close vicinity. And in another set, he placed the intact eggs along with broken eggshells, but these broken eggshells are placed far away. So in one, the broken eggshells and the intact eggs were in close vicinity, and in another set, these were placed far away. He observed that predator attacked this intact eggs where broken eggshells were placed in close vicinity, whereas here predators cannot able to attack. That means the result is today's black-headed gulls have this behavior because during the course of evolution, this behavior helped them to survive, to reproduce better. So from this experiment, the proximate causes hereditary transfer of behavior and ultimate causes the character provide reproductive success. That means it has an evolutionary benefit. So like this, for any characteristics or phenomenon, we can have a proximate causation and also we can have an ultimate causation. The proximate causation will tell us about the mechanism of the behavior or the hereditary or environmental factors that can affect the formation of that behavior. Whereas the ultimate causation will give us the evolutionary reason for that behavior. The reason that can enhance their survival, that can enhance their reproduction, can better help to adapt them in a particular environment. All this will come under ultimate causation. Now, Darwinian theory and ultimate hypothesis. Now, this Timbergen was influenced by Charles Darwin, who gave the theory of natural selection. According to this theory, there will be variations among species and there will be variations among individuals in the same species. The variation that will lead to benefits will become hereditary and will transfer to the next generation, which will result in differential reproduction. That means some species will have more reproductive success compared to the other species. And when these three conditions occur, that is variation, hereditary, and differential reproduction, evolution is inevitable. So according to Darwin's natural selection also, the organism or the species having the better chance of survival or reproduction will be accepted by nature, and these organisms will only survive. Whereas the organisms having the less chance of survival and reproduction, during the course of evolution, they will eliminate out. And all this depends upon the character or behavior of an organism or species. Some behavior will increase the chance of survival and reproduction, and such behavior during the course of time, they will transmit to the next generation. And the behavior that reduces the chance of survival and reproduction will eliminate. So, the Darwinian theory favors the ultimate hypothesis that the behaviors that increases the chance of survival and reproduction will pass on to the next generation, and the behaviors that decrease the chance of survival and reproduction will eliminate out. So this is all about ultimate hypothesis. Now one question from my end for you all, that is, aquatic plants have waxy coating on their leaf surface. Would you be able to frame some proximate and ultimate questions? Do let me know in the comment section. If you found the video informative, please do like, share and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for the next video notification. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.